What does it mean to live in an entangled reality? Does it mean that the essence of the universe, from atoms to our private thoughts, is bound together by invisible and improbable threads? The Roman word Ordo meant more than order. It meant the pattern, the alignment that brings the many into one. The weaver's threads, the soldier's ranks, the binding together of individuals within families, societies, and even government at scale. For the ancients, order was never accidental. The fates spun destiny from their loom. The Greeks called the harmonious domain kosmos, a stark contrast to the breakdown of horizontal and vertical relationships that characterized chaos. The biological realm is entirely dependent upon threads, improbable sequences of amino acids that fold into catalysts of breathtaking precision. Such order is unnatural. Left to itself, the random joining of organic elements would almost certainly consist of deleterious tangles. Only on extremely rare occasions would such a sequence resolve into an enzyme capable of outrunning entropy. Even at the smallest scales, the universe is woven together. Quantum entanglement connects particles across the vast expanse of space and time. Invisible threads that, though fundamental, remain poorly understood. Examine one, and the other reveals itself instantly. Our own minds are vast entanglements, networks of neurons firing in patterns that shape our perception. Some of those connections reflect reality, producing insight and empathy. Others twist into confusion, illusion, and fear. Our task is to discern between good and bad entanglements, to weave patterns that foster order, trust, and meaning, and to dispense with the knots of chaos that bind us to despair. From cosmic threads to neural networks, from enzymes to empathy, we explore how order arises and how it unravels. This is Entangled Reality, where empirical knowledge and human significance intersect, and the search for order extends. Join me as we follow those threads, wherever they lead.